In this video, I'll show you how to use your Barclays PINsentry card reader. It's super easy once you know the steps, and it helps keep your online banking safe and secure. First, plug your PINsentry device into a power source or insert the battery if needed. Then, insert your Barclays debit card into the slot at the top, facing down with the chip going in first. Next, you'll be asked to enter your 4-digit card PIN using the keypad. After that, the screen might ask for a few numbers from your memorable word or a security code. Just follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Once you've entered everything, the device will generate a one-time passcode. Use that code to log in to your Barclays online banking or confirm a transaction. Never share your PIN or let anyone else use your PINsentry. It's personal and keeps your account protected. That's it. It only takes a few seconds once you get the hang of it. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple banking guides. See you next time.